parents is to stay away from worksheets. I do not believe in worksheets for very young children. Even if it is harmless worksheets like match the numbers and things like that, it's not needed. Everything up to the age of 3 or 4 should be play based. The child should not know what your goal is. So when I was doing rhyming games with my son, rhyming is one of the phonological awareness skills that is needed for reading later. He didn't need to know that. All he needed to see was me having fun and him having fun. So whenever parents turn to me very stressed as to what should I do for early literacy, first thing I tell them is calm yourself. If your child sees you being hyper or anxious about it, they will know that, oh, this is a big deal. It's not a big deal. If you keep it play-based, you are having fun and your child is having fun without anyone getting too stressed about it. So any way that you want to introduce numbers which is play-based or literacy which is play-based is what I tell parents to go in for. Now, when I say play-based, it can be done on the go as well. So for example, if I'm sitting in a car and I'm pointing out to objects around me, that's early literacy. I don't have to make a game out of it necessarily, but doing it on the go makes it more fun for the parent as well as for the child.